Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we apply this formula for this one. So I will put number 2 cone here. Next, we need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have ds over s. dv, we have s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s squared over 2. Because we still have about number 2, so we keep about number 2 in here. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 2, and we have the integration s squared divided by s. You got about s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And then I will put about c. Now we have number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.